Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how to use up that little bit of cranberry sauce you have left hanging in your fridge that you might not know what to do with. So today we're going to make some cranberry Eton mess. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this recipe with you is because number one, it's ridiculously easy and simple, but super delicious. If you love Eton mess, you'll love this version. But number two, because cranberry sauce lasts in your fridge for like 3 weeks. So say Thanksgiving is at the end of November, as we all know it, and you are having a holiday get-together in the beginning of December, well, you can make this recipe with the leftover cranberry sauce to serve at your holiday party. So you're doing sort of two at once. You're using up your leftover cranberry sauce, you're making a fabulously easy dessert to serve at your gathering. Everybody's happy. So the list of ingredients is so short. You just need some heavy cream, you'll need some meringues. These are store-bought and absolutely delicious, but you can make homemade. I just think they all taste the same and I really love these. And you'll need some cranberry sauce. This is my homemade cranberry sauce. You can tell it's sort of thick, but it's also got some juice in here. That's exactly what I want. Now this is not going to work well if you use a canned jiggly cranberry sauce. It just doesn't. So use the really good homemade stuff because it's delicious, and that's what you should be making for Thanksgiving anyway. So I've got some heavy cream in a large bowl. I'm going to whip this until it's soft peaks, not too thick and not too stiff, because that's not the consistency I want. So I'm going to use a handheld electric whisk, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's there. That is perfect. It's not too thick. Should have grabbed a different plate, but it's okay. It's not too thick, but it is perfection. So now what I'm going to do is you're going to crumble in your meringues. I'm going to use 8 or 9, I would say, but you can use as much or as little as you want. And now you might be asking, why didn't you add any sugar? Well, that's because the meringues are going to add a lot of sweetness, and so is the cranberry sauce. So I don't want to add too much sweetness, otherwise there's just like there's like no balance, you know what I mean? Everything is just one sweet spoonful, and I want to just taste the different textures and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just do without the sugar because everything else is sweet that we're adding to it. Okay, I'm going to fold in my meringues because I don't want to overwork when I add the cranberry sauce. I'm going to add a couple more meringues because I like it very full of meringue because that crunch is like addictive. So now when I add the cranberry sauce, I'm not gonna stir it too much because otherwise I'm not gonna get sort of a ripple effect. I'll show you, because it shouldn't be fully combined. It should sort of be like that. Okay. And now all you do, and the great thing about this too, say you're serving it at a party. Well, if you're having a last minute get together, this can be served right away. It does not have to sit in the fridge chilled. It actually works better if you serve it right away so that the meringue can hold its crunch. So it's a really good thing to make last minute. It's a really easy thing, as you can see, to make for a crowd. I'm making 4 big ones meant to be shared. Each one's meant to be shared, but you can make like 12 small ones, and really that's kind of amazing. And I'm going to use a leftover little bit that I have of the cranberry sauce in there for the topping. So, you know, everyone's happy. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to use up my cranberry sauce, and it's going to be a delicious, fun dessert that I can serve at a next get-together because I don't like to waste a single thing. You know that. So I'm just going to finish topping these. I'm just going to have a little taste of whatever's left in the bowl so that I don't mess these up, because I'm just nice that way. I can tell that there's a piece of the meringue and the cranberry sauce and the cream. That's the kind of stuff of my dreams. It's really creamy, burst of flavor from the cranberry sauce and the crunch from the meringue. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Go to laurainthekitchen.com to get the recipe. Please make this because it's so worth doing. I hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.